C-17 is Captain Justin Capper. In the C-47, Dan Greiter from Atlanta, Florida, Jim Terry from Fort Worth.
I didn't see, look here. Look here. Wow, see two planes.
Here they come from overhead, ladies and gentlemen, the C-17 and the C-47. Taxis out in the Geico Extra 300. Another random steep approach. And the C-47. Nightmare. Good shot. To you today by Geico, the third largest private passenger auto insurer in the United States. Geico insures more than 13 million vehicles and provides 24-hour service 7 days a week, 365 days a year. One 15-minute call to Geico really could save you 15% or more on your auto insurance. Call today, or for a fast rate quote online, go to geico.com. Great time up there. Really addicted to chocolate.
You got airplane? Hey, that's good. देखो उल्टा प्लेन लेके जा रहा हूँ ऐसा Quite a
अंदर उड़ रहा है यार
कहाँ गया देखो पीछे भैया कन्नो 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 पीछे अध्ययन अध्ययन सी अध्ययन आदि
चार एक साथ यार
हाँ that's too good यार
Another sensation of weightlessness, sort of ballistic flight. Some of that experienced fire astronauts in space will now be fell pilots and solo pilots. Approaching center point. Major Lieutenant pilots will roll their aircraft into a 90-angle bank. Push forward the Jake will be opposing. Nice and pass.
wow दोनों ऐसे कहते हैं यार अपने मन में पूरा जुड़ी मिलता सही मन
The divers approach